get a hold of him here.
Copy that, just 4581.
581. Go over there.
Tell the guy they got 2 trains cleared, so watch out when they get off the train.
Repeat again, Vaughn. Oh, Garrett M, track 6 east, over.
Copy, yellow flag for 20, good for 20. Hey, did you hear that? There's a UP 4581 coming into this out of service track back there out of the big hole right now. We can stop here and let these guys off. We're going to switch over to 14 and see if I can get a hold.
Hey Gary, when they stop, let's put that derail and everything on the train, and then I'll ride down there and lock it up if you want.